This is a demo video for 3D Cam by GENISAMA. With 3D Cam, you can record and playback 3D video and then share it with family and friends. First, log into 3D Cam with your GENISAMA account. How to create an account can be found on our website at GENISAMA.com. Click on the aspect ratio button to set the desired aspect ratio to fit screen or to reel ratio. Click on the record button to start recording video. Click on the button again to stop video. You can click on the camera button to take a picture. You can adjust the resolution by clicking on the arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. We recommend shooting at 1280 by 480 at 30 frames per second. You can also adjust the frames per second rate by clicking on the arrow below. We recommend shooting 1280 by 480 for smaller video size. Currently, the 4 squares in the upper right-hand corner opens to the video folder on the Android phone. This will open to GENISAMA videos and photos in the future, however. In the meantime, in order to view photos and videos, go to the File Manager app on your phone and click on the internal storage, then video, then USB camera for video, and internal storage, then pictures, then USB camera for photos. That concludes the demo and tutorial for 3D Cam by GENISAMA. Contact info@genisama.com with any questions or concerns.